In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to Google Drive, a simple Notion tutorial for beginners. Whether you're using Notion to manage projects or organize your personal life, connecting it to Google Drive can streamline your workflow, making information easily accessible. So let's dive right in and break down this process step by step. To begin with, open the page in Notion where you'd like to embed your Google Drive file. If you haven't created a page yet, it's easy to do by clicking on the Add a Page option on the sidebar. Once your page is ready, you'll want to navigate to it, ensuring you're in edit mode so you can make changes as needed. Next, you'll type the command that makes this possible. Simply type a / followed by the word embed. That's or embed. This command is a powerful tool in Notion that allows you to incorporate a variety of external content, including files from Google Drive, directly into your Notion pages, making it an indispensable feature for anyone looking to centralize their digital workspace. Once you've typed embed, you'll see an option to embed a link. This is where you'll paste the link to your Google Drive file. To get this link, you'll need to head over to your Google Drive. Open the specific document, spreadsheet, or file you'd like to embed, and then click on the Share button, usually located at the top right corner of the window. Make sure your document settings allow for sharing. You may need to adjust the permissions so that anyone with the link can view the document. After copying the shareable link, head back to your Notion page and paste this link into the embed box. After pasting the link, you'll notice the file appears as an embedded item right there on your Notion page. Now here comes the part where you can personalize and optimize your layout, adjusting the size and position of the embedded file on your page. Hover over the embedded area and you'll see the handles or dots around it, which you can drag to resize. You can also click and drag the entire block to reposition it, giving you complete control over how the information is presented on your page. Adjust it until it fits perfectly with the design and flow of the rest of your content. There you have it. By seamlessly integrating Google Drive files into Notion, you can keep all your critical documents and notes in one place, enhancing both productivity and organization. Not only does this method save time, but it also ensures all team members or collaborators can access necessary information comfortably in one location. Keep practicing with different types of files, and you'll soon be an expert at embedding content in Notion. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any further questions or require additional clarification on any steps, feel free to leave a comment. Happy organizing!